Welcome to Beerstories' homebrew and craft beer channel on YouTube. Do you know what it takes to brew your own beer at home? You can learn all you need to know about home brewing on this channel or visit beerstories.dk. Step 1. Mash the malt. This is where you extract the sugars from the malt. Heat the water to about 65 degrees Celsius or 150 degrees Fahrenheit and let it mash for 30 to 90 minutes. Step 2. Boil the wort with hops. This is where you add the hops to the wort. Bittering hops go in first, followed by aroma hops at the end of the boil. Step 3. Cool the wort and add the yeast. This is where you add the yeast to the cooled wort. Make sure the temperature is around 21 degrees Celsius or 70 degrees Fahrenheit. Step 4. Ferment for 14 to 21 days. This is where the yeast converts the sugars to alcohol. Make sure to keep the temperature stable around 21 degrees Celsius or 70 degrees Fahrenheit. Step 5. Bottle and carbonate for 14 days. This is where you add priming sugar to the bottles. Store the bottles at room temperature for 14 days before enjoying your home brew. And there you have it, a quick and easy guide to brewing beer at home. Remember to always sanitize your equipment and have fun experimenting with different malts and hops. Remember, you can find all you need to know on the Beerstories YouTube channel. Cheers!